guys, it's me. I know I said I'd take a break and I have. I've been away for a little bit on YouTube, and in that time I've done some new paintings. I'm going to be submitting a Jewelry to Art show, so I'll let you know how that goes. But my main reason for making this vlog and talking to you guys is I've been featured over on tailcast.com. You can see my painting Crystal Joy featured. It is under the little icon with the palette of paint with the brushes, and every now and then it flips up onto the main page of Tailcast. So if you haven't been over to Tailcast, go over and check it out. Tailcast.com is full of not just painters, but all types of artists, graphic artists, even writers. So go over, check it out, get inspired. See ya. Bye.